Guys, today, I'll be using the Alchemist Kit. Make sure to like and sub, but anyways, let's move on to the video. So, for the sleeping potion, you will need 3 mushrooms. So I'll be right back when I get 3 mushrooms. There's 1 mushroom. Here are the other 2 mushrooms. Bro, this guy is chasing me. Oh my god, I'm so cooked. At last I put the mushrooms in the mixer. Bro got stuck. Yasir, I killed him. Time to troll people with this. Target found. This kit is too off. I'ma put some more mushrooms in the mixer. Time for some more trolling. Bro is so dead. Bro is so lucky he got away. I'ma try and kill her. I still need someone to use the potion on. Perfect opportunity. I missed so bad. Bloody got sent flying. Ooh, huge lucky block. Pretty mid items. Time for some more potions. I got 2 potions. Bro, trying to run. Damn, knockback is crazy. Double kill. The other kit ran, but the miner couldn't. A tank is coming after me. Tank almost killed me. His teammate came for revenge. I'm so low. Why didn't the potion work on the tank? Bro, I'm so dead. If he comes here, I'm throwing the potion. If I get hit once, I'm so cooked. My teammate got him. Oh my god, I'm low. Yes, I killed him. Is my teammate gonna kill that guy? No way he dodged it. I need to make more potions. Now need another person to kill. The fat robot is back. Of course he ran away. I still need someone to use the potion on. This is an easy kill. Too easy. Look who it is. This fat robot keeps coming back. Bro, isn't even that strong. You got the flying backpack. Bro, this guy just keeps coming back. And he keeps getting killed each time. I'ma bomb them. It barely even did anything. Oh, so cooked. These chickens do so much damage. But I do more damage. Time for me to send them to sleep. 1 down. Who was that? Good thing I have the flying backpack. I can't let this slide. Yasir, I got their bed. Now, just need to kill them all. I killed one. Bro, this robot. I could probably kill him. Yes, sir. Now, just need to find the last person. I found him. GG's.